Hi Anisha, how are you?
I'm doing good, sir. How about you?
Yeah, I'm really good.
Yeah,
Shall we start then?
yeah, sure.
Okay. Can you tell me some data types that we have in Java?
Yeah, sure. We have byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, boolean, string.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. Can you also tell me if I can overload a main method?
Yes, we can overload a main method.
Okay. Can we also override a main method?
No, we cannot override a main method
Why?
because we can override only non-static method, and as we know that main method is a static method, so we can't override it.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Can you also tell me the types of inheritance we have in Java?
Yeah, sure. So in inheritance, basically, we have five types of inheritance. Like we have single level inheritance, we have multi-level inheritance, we have hierarchical level inheritance, we have multiple level inheritance, and we have hybrid level inheritance.
Okay.
So yeah. So
Any
can I
anything
explain?
more you want to speak?
Yeah, I want to explain those.
Go ahead.
Yeah. In case of a single level inheritance, whenever a single child is trying to inherit the property from only one parent, single parent, so that is single level inheritance, and we can achieve it through extends keyword. And in case of multi-level inheritance, when there is a single child and multiple parents, like when there is a single child and more than one parent or supermost class, if you are trying to inherit the properties from those, then it is a multi-level inheritance. And in case of a hierarchical inheritance, when two child class tries to extend from a single parent, so that is a hierarchical level inheritance.
Mhm.
And in case of in case of a hybrid level inheritance, it is a mixture of single level inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and hierarchical level inheritance. So it is a mixture
Okay.
of those three level, and multiple level inheritance. It can be achieved through interface. We can't achieve it through classes. So in those, that is a type of inheritance where there is a two parent and a single child is trying to inherit from those two, like two parents, and it can be achieved through implements keyword.
Implements keyword. Basically, multiple level inheritance, you're saying we can achieve it using multiple, implements keyword, not with
Yes.
extends keyword.
Yes.
Got it. Understood. Um can you also tell me why there is a need of a exception handling in Java?
Yeah, exception handling is needed in Java to run the code without any like stoppage in between.
Mhm.
So, like ex- in Java, like the developers use it so that there should not be any stoppage, and it is not certain that exception will come. It might come or it might not come. So it for a better purpose, like to run the code smoothly, they use
Mm.
exception handling using try and catch block. So yeah, so if the exception will come, then the catch block will execute, and the except if the exception will not come, then the try block will execute.
Got it. Got it. That's fine. Can you also tell me why we need throw and throws keyword in Java?
Yeah, sure. Throw keyword is used to throw an exception, whereas a throws keyword is used to declare an exception. So throw keyword, it should be written inside a method, throw keyword. But
Mm.
throws keyword, it should be written along with the method name.
Mhm.
So using throw, we can throw only one exception, but using throws, we can declare multiple exceptions.
Got it. Understood. Yeah, that's fine. Can you also talk about constructors if I can overload and override it?
Yeah, sure. So constructor are basically a special type of method in Java, which is same as the class name, but it doesn't have any return type. But it can have any access specifier. And yes, we can overload a constructor with different parameters, but we cannot override a constructor.
We cannot override a constructors because we can't inherit it.
Inherit it, right?
Okay, got it. Can you also tell me how to create a relationship between the class and class, class and abstract class, class and concrete class, class and interface, interface to interface, interface to class, interface to abstract class, all of them relation, how to make it?
Class to class, we can make a relationship by using extends keyword. Abstract class to class, we can class to abstract class, we can achieve it through extends. Abstract class to abstract class, we can achieve it through extends keyword. Class to interface, we can achieve it through interface implements keyword. And abstract class to interface, we can achieve it through implements. Interface to interface, we can achieve it through extends keyword.
And interface to class?
Interface to class, it is not possible in Java.
Okay, got it. Yeah. That's great. Can you tell me what is interface in Java?
Yeah, interface. In interface, like we can achieve 100% of abstraction. We can only have abstract methods in interface, which will not have any implementation. And it is basically used in case of like hiding the implementation, so that if there is a merger between two companies, the company will not show the internal logic to another company. Yeah.
So that can be done with the help of an interface. Can you tell me more things about interface?
Yeah. Interface will not have any concrete methods. It will have only abstract method. We can achieve 100%. And that much only I know.
Okay, that's fine. Can you also tell me about math class and its functions?
Yeah, math class is a predefined class in Java, like which has various methods in it, like math dot add exact, add subtract, and math dot pi. So we don't have to write our own internal. We don't have to write our logic directly. We can add. We can use its methods.
Okay, got it. Got it. Can you also tell me how to access the methods of all different access specifier outside the package without becoming the subclass?
Like, can you repeat the question?
Suppose I'm a class and you are a class.
Okay.
And we both have various methods in each other. I belong to a different package. You belong to a different package. I want to access your methods. Your methods are 4 of 4 different access specifier. How Manish is supposed to access your methods of all 4 different access specifier, keeping in mind that you are a separate class and you are present in a different package?
Okay. So in that case, like we can create an object. We can create an object of the
Anisha class in Manish class.
Yeah.
Okay. After that?
After that, I can access the method of public method.
Public
methods.
Will I not be able to access the protected members?
Protected. Only public.
Only public. Wonderful. That's really great. That's really great. Good. Let's proceed ahead. Can you also tell me some of the properties of set interface?
Yeah, sure. So in set, like it is useful. It is used to store unique values, and it doesn't follow indexing. It doesn't follow order of insertion, and it can store only one null value. and it store heterogeneous objects. It is
Okay. Anything else?
we can only in set, like we can only iterate in forward direction. That interface.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else?
In set,
How can I utilize the properties of set?
yeah, we can utilize the property of set by its classes. Like we can upcast the child, like has set to set. Then we can utilize the properties of set interface by upcasting.
Upcasting because it is an interface.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Can you also tell me what is the difference between array and array list?
Yeah, sure. So array store only homogeneous data, and array list stores both homogeneous and heterogeneous data. And in array, it is basically known for its fixed size. We cannot increase the size of an array at the runtime. Whereas in array list, it is dynamic. We can increase the size. And array doesn't have any predefined methods. We need to implement our own internal logic. But in array list, there are different methods we can utilize it. And yeah, that's it.
Okay. Can you create a class and create an array and find out its average?
Okay.
Go ahead. You know this problem?
I can try.
Okay. You can share your screen.
Yeah. Is it visible?
Yeah. I'll repeat my question again so that there is no confusion. Watch out. I wanted to create an array in which 5 numbers are present. 5, 20, 25, and 30. You just have to find out the average of it. So in order to find out the average, what you have to do?
The total, I need to first of all sum this 5 divided by
Yes. Divide by
4.
4. That's all you have to do. It's a very simple question. Try that.
Okay.
First, you have to add the 4 numbers.
Okay.
So, shall I guide you?
Yeah.
Line number 12, first create a variable which will store your result. So write int sum is equals to 0. At the starting, sum is 0. Okay. Now go to line 15 and write sum is equals to sum plus number of I. Yeah, delete line 16. Outside the for loop, try to print the sum.
Okay.
Any idea how this loop will execute, for loop?
Yes, it will execute like here I've written int I equal to length. So it will execute from the length, like it will take the total length.
No, something is wrong. Why you have to come from the length? Why not from 0?
Okay.
You will count from the first, right?
Yeah.
First means 0.
Okay.
And this will be
Length.
great. Yeah, length. So type number dot length. Number dot length. Yeah. This should not be less than or equals to. It should only be lesser than. You agree with me?
Yeah.
Run this. What is the issue?
It's giving me, I think I should I write length minus 1? It's giving index out of array index out of bound.
I is lesser than the length. No, I is lesser than length is perfect.
I is greater than I've written.
Here. Oh, that is wrong. Yeah, condition is wrong. I should be lesser than the number of length. Now it is perfect. You can run it. What is wrong now? All the values are lesser than the length. And then I plus plus.
Give here sum of array.
No, that is perfect. So you want to start from indexing 0 and number of length is 3. So it will go from, mistake is not in the for loop. The size of your array is 3, but you have stored how many values? 4 values.
Okay.
So issue is in the line number 11. Number of 3, yeah, now it's fine.
Okay.
So you got the total now. Okay. Now you have to find out the average. Now find out the average. Getting idea? Is it clear? Okay. That's fine. Can you tell me a little bit more about the string buffer and string builder, please?
Yeah, sure. So string buffer and string builder both comes from Java lang package, and In string buffer and string builder, both are like mutable. So it can be changed, which means it can be changed. So string buffer is thread safe and synchronized, whereas string builder is not thread safe and non-synchronized. And compared to string builder, string buffer is little slower. And
Why?
because because only one thread at a time. It goes only like that. But in a string builder, as it enters multiple threads, so it is little faster than string buffer. And string buffer was introduced in Java version 1.1.0, whereas string builder came in version 1.5.
Got it. That's all from my side, Anisha. You have a good knowledge. I was happy. So you're passed from my side. Just concentrate on the course just like this. I think the course will be useful to you.
Yes.
And yeah, that's all from my side. You have anything to say?
Yeah, actually, your explanation is very good, actually. Like
From where you got to know about me and you took this course?
YouTube only. Like when I changed to manual testing from my operation. So that time also I referred your video, manual testing video. Yeah, it was very useful, and also like you give 100% of your effort, like whenever you're teaching. So that's a very good point. You are different from other teachers. Yeah.
That's really great, Anisha. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.